There are more than 500 companies taking part in IGATEX 2024 from 13 countries. So mainly we have companies from China, from Germany, from Switzerland, Italy, Spain, Turkey, USA, UK, and Indonesia and Malaysia. It has been 22 years. I'm associated with IGATEX. We introduced IGATEX in Pakistan way back in 2002, and it has been more than 2 decades now. The journey with IGATEX has been very pleasant, very challenging, and we have seen ups and downs in the industry. But eventually we have been confident and we have been steady holding IGATEX in Pakistan, and Alhamdulillah we can see that today IGATEX has grown so much that this is the largest exhibition in Lahore of IGATEX series, and of course this is the second largest in Southeast Asia as far as the IGATEX participations are concerned. Political scenarios are always very critical for any country and for any economy. And Pakistan has been facing and still facing such challenges, but our industry is very determined and they have been putting their efforts to manage the textile industry in a better way, to enhance our export and to install the latest technology in Pakistan. And I'm sure that in coming days, things will be better. Well, at the moment, this is not on the card, but yes, for the longer runs, we have some plans that where the requirement is we will collaborate with some of the company or some of the exhibition, or probably we'll go solo. But at the moment, every country has its own exhibition, so we are focusing in Pakistan mainly. So 1 year we do in Karachi, 1 year in Lahore. So for a short time, of course, we are only focusing on Pakistan. You see, Pakistan is an energy deficient country. The sustainability challenges are everywhere, and IGATEX is introducing sustainable technology, and this is the need of the hour, since recycling and sustainability is talk of the world, and every country and every industry is focusing on sustainability and especially on recycling. So these are the two major segments of the industry, of every industry. So I'm sure that those who follow these segments, they will sustain. My message to all the exhibitors and visitors, for exhibitors, so be patient, like you have been always, and the good days will come. And we are standing with the industry, and we will continue to promote textile industry in Pakistan and globally. Next year we have planned IGATEX in Karachi, which is the last week of April 2025, and next year we are adding garment machinery as well. So it will be a huge show in Karachi next year. We will, apart from textile, we will be inviting and encouraging the garment sectors as well. So that is a new for IGATEX 2025.